Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook when it keeps freezing, hanging, or showing not responding using some easy methods that work in the new version of Microsoft Outlook in 2026. If Outlook takes too long to open, freezes while clicking emails, hangs when searching, or suddenly stops responding, don't worry, there are a few quick things you can do to fix it. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is completely close Outlook. If Outlook is frozen and won't close normally, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running apps and find Outlook. Click on it, then choose End Task. This will force Outlook to close completely. Now reopen Outlook and check if the issue is gone. If Outlook still freezes, move on to the next fix. Open Outlook again, then click the Settings icon in the top right corner. Inside Settings, go to General. Then click Privacy and Data. Here, scroll through the settings and make sure unnecessary connected experiences or extra syncing options are turned off if you don't use them, because background syncing can sometimes slow Outlook down. After making changes, restart Outlook. Next, go back into Settings, then click Mail. Look for areas like Rules, Sweep, or heavy automatic filtering options. If you have dozens of old rules running in the background, Outlook can become slow or unresponsive. Delete rules you no longer use and keep only the important ones. Now let's check add-ins. Click Settings, then go to General and look for add-ins or connected apps if available in your version. Some third-party add-ins can make Outlook hang. Disable any add-in you don't recognize or don't actively use. Then restart Outlook again. Another very common fix is clearing browser cache because the new Outlook runs with web-based components. If you use Outlook in the desktop app or browser version, clearing cached files can improve performance. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy, then Clear Browsing Data, and clear cached images and files. Then sign back in to Outlook. Now, another thing to check is mailbox storage. If your inbox has thousands of unread emails, large attachments, and years of stored messages, Outlook may slow down. Delete old emails you don't need. Empty your deleted items folder. Also, clean up your spam folder. This can make Outlook much faster. Next, check your internet connection. The new Outlook depends heavily on cloud syncing. If your connection keeps dropping, Outlook may freeze while trying to refresh messages. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi connection or reconnect your network and try again. Finally, make sure Outlook is updated. Open Outlook, click Settings, then check for any available updates in your Microsoft apps or through Microsoft 365 services if you use a subscription account. Updates often fix freezing bugs and performance problems. And that's it. One of these fixes usually solves Outlook freezing, hanging, or not responding in the new Outlook version. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, make sure to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.